Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Navi, and today we're going to be filming episode 3 of the moving vlogs. If you're here for an aesthetic cleaning packing vlog, this is not it. We're just gonna be cleaning this shed. I'm definitely not trying to talk a lot today because it is 85 degrees right now, and I'm gonna be packing. I'm gonna be sweaty as fuck. Hopefully I don't get a heat stroke or something, but I really have to get this shit done because I'm not trying to come back. Let's get cleaning / packing. So this is the size of the shed that we're gonna be cleaning out. And there's a lot of stuff in here, you guys. So much crap. So it's really messy. I have like a bunch of packages over here, stuff I'm selling, my business stuff, business supplies. I obviously have my business on hold right now because obviously look at this mess. I have my nail stuff over here, suitcase. This is full of random stuff that I'm going to go through and see what I can throw away. Yeah, it's a messy situation right now. So I was packing and I realized that the boxes are really heavy, not to mention it's 85 degrees, so I was literally dying, and I had to do this all within 6 hours, and I felt like I was gonna have a heat stroke, and I was sweating balls, and it was just too much. So I decided to not vlog most of this because it was just easier for me to do it, you know, without vlogging. Okay, you guys, this is what we're looking like. I packed everything, wiped down some stuff. Again, I'm gonna come back and wipe everything down again once the movers take everything, but everything is pretty much packed. And I threw away so much stuff, but definitely a lot more space in here, as you can see. Hi guys, today is Sunday, and I know I look crusty as fuck, but I really want my channel to be transparent and the real me. And let's be honest, when we're moving or we're cleaning or doing something at home, do we always put makeup on? No. Like, let's be really real, okay? Because I want my channel to be one of those channels that's like, this is what's actually happening. Because, you know, you sometimes see those like aesthetic cleaning vlogs, aesthetic moving vlogs and all that stuff, and they are nice. I do like to be aesthetic sometimes, but I'm just hitting you guys with the realness of what actually happens. I mean, people don't wear makeup 24/7, and they don't dress, you know, nicely 24/7 just to put on a video or to film a video. I was originally thinking about putting makeup on to film this video, but I was like, nah, like, why would I do that? I'm just gonna be cleaning, I'm home, there's no need. Let's just be real. At home, I know like 90, maybe more than 90% of you guys are not wearing makeup right now if you guys are sitting at home watching this. So today I was actually supposed to go back to my old place and pick up some other stuff. Yesterday, Saturday, I did go and clean out the whole shed, which I showed you guys. But I woke up this morning and I was too tired. Like I said, I've been working 40 hours a week, all week. Then I vlogged like a 3-hour video of my toxic relationship. So if you guys want to watch that, I'll put a time card for that. But you don't have to, it's just if you're interested in watching it. I talk about my experience, I talk about what I did to help myself, I talk about tips, I talk about a lot of things. And it's both like story time, like what happened to me, and it's also informative. So I actually give you, you know, examples of what toxic people say, what they do, how they act, and tips on how you guys can maybe not fall into that trap. Moving on, I'm just going to try to clean some stuff. It's probably going to be mostly a time lapse, but I'll show you guys the state of my room right now. So this is the state of my bathroom right now. This is a trash bag, and the one next to it is for recyclables. I can't fucking pronounce words. I didn't clean the tub yet, but I haven't used it. I have some random makeup over there, and this is my sink situation. I have some random makeup tools right there, my toothbrush, face wash, mouthwash, soap, all that stuff. This random soap dish soap whatever the fuck they're called, cleaning things, my brush, some cleaning supplies, more cleaning supplies, the stuff that I use for my face daily, and the cover to my vlogging camera, my lens. This is the bathroom. I finally got a rug here. Let me just turn on the light really quick. But I finally got a rug because these shower doors are kind of weird. They don't stay shut sometimes and the water leaks out really easily. So I got this huge rug, which I like, but I noticed that it looks dirty because there's like, let me just show you guys. There's like holes in it. Not like holes, but you know, I don't know how to explain it, but you see how it can kind of look like dirt from far away, but it's really just the direction of the fur or whatever it's called. And I got a really long one because I wanted it to cover from the beginning to the end so water doesn't leak out on the floor. I have my towel. I'm gonna get new towels at some point. The toilet is also really weird because it has this stain, as you guys can see, that never goes away. That was here when I came, and I've scrubbed it and stuff and it just won't go away. So if you guys have any tips on how to get rid of that, I don't know what that's caused from, because again, like, this was here already before I came, and even this, like, the screws were out when I came, so I couldn't actually close the bathroom door. But yesterday when I went home, I bought like a screwdriver and I kind of put that back into place. I kind of put some stuff in my closet, but I ran out of hangers, and the rest of my clothes is at hangers at home, plus the other stuff I can't actually hang. Those are for the dresser, which I obviously haven't gotten my stuff from my old place yet, so I don't have a dresser. Some purses, random stuff. I tried to color coordinate this, but it didn't really work out, or did it? I don't know, because I have so many different color variations that it was hard to do that, but we'll worry about that later. This is my sleeping area right now. Don't judge me. I'm not getting a bed because, like I said, a mistake I made a long time ago was I got this huge bed, and I kind of decided that until I move into my own place that's 100% mine, I'm not gonna get a bed because it's a lot to deassemble and assemble, and when you're moving, it's a lot to move. It's a lot, just a lot. I would just recommend, if you're not trying to do all that, to just wait until you actually have your own place and you're not just renting from somebody. But yeah, this is my situation right here. I have my little work area right here. I have water bottles, this toilet roll because my nose is really runny all the time for some reason. It's not what you think it's for. I'm not like doing the dirty. It's just to, you know, wipe my nose. Not that it's wrong to do the dirty. If you feel like you need to, you know? I have my work computer over here, all my suitcases that I still haven't unpacked because, like I said, these things need to go in the dresser, and I don't have one right now. It's still at my old place. And this random stuff that we'll get to, my fridge, all the stuff on top of it, the air fryer, the water, randomness. But yeah, over here I have to throw this out, but this is pretty much all of the packages that I have received from Amazon and my fridge and stuff. I have to break that down and throw it away, and then this is over here for some reason, I don't know. But we're gonna clear this out first, and then we will sweep this area and wipe it down with the Swiffer wiper really quick. This is the outfit of the day right now. I know I look scrubby. I'm wearing these sweatpants. They're too big for me. All sweatpants are too big for me. I'm wearing these ugly ass Crocs that you guys will be seeing a lot of, and just this top, you know, because it gets hot, and my beautiful face. Okay, now we're gonna start for real. Like, enough with the chit chat. We're gonna start for real.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I'm stone cold.